we trying to build something and you just here, let me bring this with me. Hold on, let me bring this with me. Hold up, let me bring this too, because this gotta come. Hold on, wait, I forgot this, so this has to come too. Wait, well, this has to come too. So I got all this stuff. Okay, now you won't come too? You ready? You ready to go in the future? I mean, I can go with you, but my hands are kind of full. Hey y'all, so today I'm gonna attempt to do my makeup and talk to y'all at the same time. I don't know if I'm gonna be very good, but we're gonna try this together, okay? All right. So the topic of today is dating in your 20s, and if I'm looking down, I'm looking in my mirror, but yeah, that topic was just on my heart, so I just felt like we needed to talk. We needed to have a talk together, because y'all talk me through this. You know, comment down below while I'm talking and just tell me some things, y'all. Just tell me some things. But okay, so genuinely, I feel like dating in your 20s is like the biggest setup. Like, I'm not trying to be negative about it, but I just feel like, I don't know, I feel like a lot of people have the mindset of, you know, I'm here for a good time and not a long time. That's just what it is. Like, I mean, and I don't blame those people. Like, yeah, I have a lot of older people in my life that even say that's really what you're supposed to do. Like, in your 20s, I'm just talking, not even see, that's what I mean. But in your 20s, it's supposed to be for hiring and firing. That's what one of my mentors, I call him my dad, but that's what he says. He be like, look, this is for hiring and firing, baby. You a little too focused on what's going on. Like, you need to hire and fire these dudes, which, you know, in a way I do agree, because I just feel like sometimes the energy isn't reciprocated. Like, people don't really know how to be genuine. I feel like I feel like a lot of people are guarded, like, which is natural, you know, but I don't think you need to be out here in the dating world if that's your mindset. Like, you need to go heal yourself before you start going out here playing with folks and their feelings. Like, because, you know, we ain't do nothing to you. Whatever's in your past is in your past, you feel me? Like, that ain't got nothing to do with me. So making people in your future, or that's trying to be a part of your future, pay for all of those things is just silly. And it's, you know, wasting people's time. But for me, like, I feel like a reason that dating is hard is because, I guess, like I said, people just don't know how to be genuine. Like, they hide things, you know, and it's just like, oh, it's okay. Like, people just have no remorse for hurting other people's feelings, and it's crazy. Like some of the things I've experienced thus far has been nuts, in my opinion. Like, I genuinely, I feel like I was saying, like, dating for men is easier because they have more options, whereas we do not. Like, some of the things that I've experienced from men or boys, because honey, I refuse to call this what I'm dealing with men. Like, I'm not gonna do that just so I can stay hopeful, because if I call this right here men, I don't think I want any parts. I'm not sure if I want parts of this, because it's just really ridiculous. And I can only say that I've dated two people that I was just like, you know what, I can see a future with you. Like, you are a great guy. And like, those it's really only been two people, and I don't know if that's sad or what, but maybe not, because I feel like good people are really rare, which is sad in my opinion, but that's just what it was. Don't talk about me and my eyebrows, because I can't see. But yeah, we just gonna have to keep these brows and figure it out. And on top of that, I feel like a lot of people have a lot of baggage that they like to bring into new situations. Like, I don't feel like it's fair for the new person that you're dealing with to have to deal with your old baggage that you're still dealing with, or you know, bad habits, or girls that you still dealing with that just won't leave you alone, you know, stuff like that. I should not have to deal with that. Like, I don't got nothing to do with that. So yeah, like, I just don't feel like I should have to deal with that, because at that point it's feeling real crowded. Like, it feels like, okay, you have, I'm about to do my nails, this is my concealer. Okay, so now you have us and we're trying to build something, and you also have whatever from your past that's also in the relationship. So 3 is a crowd, baby. Like, somebody gotta go, and most of the time it's me, but no, I'll quit. But no, for real, like, it really feels like that's what it is a lot of time, and I just don't think that's right. Like, it's not doing anything constructive. It's not adding anything good to the relationship by just bringing all these old hang-ups, all these old girls that just won't leave you alone, or just, you know, anything that's just not helping your future. Like, why are you bringing it here? But people don't see it that way. They don't. Your old stuff. Like, y'all can tell me if I'm wrong, if I'm being too harsh. I mean, I feel like I'm one of the most gracious people you could ever have in your life. And, you know, if you're going through something, you know, hey, just say something. Just say, you know, this from my past is bothering me. Say that. But what I'm not gonna do is put up with certain ways you act, and then when I find out it's because that's what you used to, I'm just gonna be like, oh no, honey, no, I don't know, I don't like it. And I just feel like that ain't it, because we trying to build something and you just here, let me bring this with me. Hold on, let me bring this with me. Hold up, let me bring this too, because this gotta come. Hold on, wait, I forgot this, so this has to come too. Wait, well, this has to come too. So I got all this stuff. Okay, now you gonna come too? You ready? You ready to go in the future? I mean, I can go with you, but my hands are kind of full. I mean, hold on, wait, and I forgot something else. Hold on. Okay, you ready? Like, no, that's not what I want to do. Like, I'm just not here for it. Let me take his first off, but I'm just not here for it at all, and I'm not making no progress on my makeup. I'm sorry, y'all. the dress I'm wearing is from Pretty Little Thing. I may add a picture of it, or I can just stand up. I'm sorry, y'all. But yeah, the dress I'm wearing is like from Pretty Little Thing. It's just a midi dress. It's like super, it's cute. I love it. Like it's super simple. It's super simple for date night. Like I love it. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have not done a bold look in 5 ever, but who better to do it with than you guys? So be nice because I'm nice. Do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos with anybody. And so yeah, I hope to catch you guys back here when I have some more. So I hope y'all have a nice weekend, because by the time y'all see this, probably gonna be during the week. But I hope y'all had a nice weekend, and I'll see y'all back here next time. Bye.